Heart to Heart Talk, hosted by Ms. Roxana Frego.
Hello everyone, we have here our special guest, our representative for International Youth Tourism Ambassador, Ms. Lene Josh T. Ignacio. Hello Ms. Lene.
Hello.
So I've heard that this is not your first international pageant. So when you competed before, how does it feel for you?
Of course, I was very nervous because hindi ko nakapractice masyado yung mga talents. Of course, because I'm busy in my studies.
Yeah, syempre importante pa rin yung pag-aaral. Not just, of course, you need to be beauty and brain as the saying goes. Pero now that it's your pangilan na ba to? Second, third international competition that you have? Third. So now that it's your third time, we want to know, the people wants to know, what are your preparations this time?
My preparations is, of course, practicing my skills, stage presence, and other more. Of course, practicing my fitness, my health, and knowing their own culture and language so that I can understand them.
So we heard before that you competed in Vietnam.
Yes.
So what can you say about their culture or your experience before when you was there?
It was beautiful. Their culture was very amusing because they're may similar sa Philippines and Vietnam, but mas bet ko po yung sa Vietnam kasi, but I'm still proud pa rin po sa Philippines.
It's really nice to know other cultures and other lands, of course. You know, it's important to travel and to learn and grow. So this time, saang country ka naman lalaban?
In Indonesia, Lombok, Indonesia.
Oh, when will it be held?
June 24 to 29, 2025.
Oh, so malapit na rin pala siya. So this time, we want to know what is your advocacy that you will be fighting for, representing the Philippines.
My advocacy is all about land management because together we can save the Mother Earth from global warming, not just for tomorrow's generation, but for the next generation. It helps us to get healthy soils and humidity.
So why did you choose that advocacy instead?
Because as you can see, the Philippines is focusing on buildings than trees. So, napansin ko po sa Pilipinas na mas nagpo-focus sila doon kaysa sa ating kalikasan. At syempre, lumalaki po yung pollution sa Pilipinas.
Yes, of course, we still need to take care of our nature and of course our environment. We Filipinos sometimes forget that our nature is the one that's nurturing us. Oh, this time, we want to know, how do you feel that this is your third international pageant and how do you feel competing again and representing the Philippines? I feel like, kasi it's a really big, not burden, pero siguro it's heavy on your part since it's your third time na competing. And of course, syempre, we know naman na nauwi mo rin yung mga titles before. So this time, ano kayang nafe-feel mo na lalaban ka ulit? And meron bang pressure on your side?
I'm proud of myself po kasi ako po yung napili ulit para ilaban yung Pilipinas sa ibang bansa. And a little bit of pressure but I can handle it naman po.
Yes. So thank you, Ms. Lene. We have a great interview. And I hope that, guys, that this will be educational for you and I hope that you will support Ms. Lene on her journey.